Hello everyone, my name is Kananga Alima Maulida. You can call me Kananga or Alima. My study number 2110182200021. I'm from group 9. I will presentation PowerPoint. Bahasa Inggris, Matematik kelas B. The first vocabulary. 1. Mean, nilai rata-rata. Mean is the average value of several pieces of data. Next, median, nilai tengah. The median is the middle value after the data is sorted. Next, mode, data yang paling sering muncul. The mode is the value that averages most often in a statistical data. The mode is also the majority value of the value with the highest frequency. Next, average, nilai rata-rata. Mean is the average value of several pieces of data. Next, data. Data is a collection of information obtained from a observation. Next, counting, berhitung. The act of determining the quantity or the total number of objects in a set, a group. Next, ascending order, pengurutan data dari yang terkecil ke yang terbesar. Ascending order means to arrange number in increasing order, that is from smallest to larger. Next, descending order, pengurutan data dari yang terbesar ke yang terkecil. Descending order if the number are arranged from the largest to the smallest number. Next, lowest score, skor terendah. Lowest score is having getting or ending in a low score. And the last vocabulary is arrangement, susunan. In a general, arrangement of objects is simple a grouping of them. The number of arrangement of items is given either by a combination order in egret or permutation order is significant. Example vocabulary. 1. Mean. First, add the all numbers together. 6 plus 11 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 equals to is 47. Then you divided the total sum by the number of score as 47 divided by 7 equals to 6.7. The second, median. Computing the median data set in a ascending order 4, 5, 8, 12, 15, 17, 18. The median of the data set is 12. Next, mode, data. For the example, 1, 3, 1.3, 1.3, 1.6, 1.9.9. There are two modes is 3 and 9. Next, average. Average is the sum of the observation divided by total number of observation. For the example, A1, point A2, point A3, and point blah blah blah, and point n per n. Next, data. Quantitative data. For the example, age, datas, distance, EQ, week. And next, counting, berhitung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, ascending order. Ascending order means to start with the smallest value and get later 3, 0.1, 0.8, 0.2, 0.0, ascending order to 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.8. Next, descending order. Descending means going down. Putting number is ascending order means putting them from large to smallest. Next, lowest score. Lowest score for data score is 5. Next, the last is arrangement. Arrangement is combination or permutation. Next, video. Video statistic is all about data. We can call discrete statistic if we have a branch of data, and if we want to tell something about all of the data, we can ask discrete statistic. We can start to make inference about that data, start to make correlation, start to make judgment. We start to do a lot of inferential statistics to make inferences. So, how we can describe data? For the example, we have a set of number. We are measuring the height of our plants in our garden. We have 6 plants and the heights are 4 inch, 3 inch and 1 inch, 6 inch, 1 inch and 7 inch. Someone want to know how tall are your plants. They want to somehow have a number that represents all of these different heights of plants. How would you do? We all start by thinking of the idea of average. Average is a given, a typical and given a middle number, and really it's an attempt to find a measure of central tendency. And there's many types of average. First, arithmetic mean is the sum of all the number divided by the number of number we have. From the example before, we get the arithmetic mean is 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 7 divided by 6 equals to is 22 divided by 6 is 3, 4 per 6 and or 3.6. There are other ways to measure the average. The other very typical way is the means. The median is literally looking for the middle number, and we need to order all middle one, that is the median. So what the median of 4, 3, 1, 6, 1, 7? First, we can order the number, then we have 1.1, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6, 0.7. We have 6 number and no 1 in the middle. We actually have 2 middle number here. It is case we have 2 middle number. We actually to have halfway between these 2 number to find the median. So the median is going to be 3, and 4 divided by 2 is 3 plus 4 divided by 2 equals to 7 per 2 is 3.5. Some ways is mode. Mode is the most common number in a data set, from 3.1, 0.6, 0.1, 0.7 we have 2 ones, so the mode is 1. Chapter 5, example 1. Danish average in math is 82 after taking its test. To the nearest whole number, what will her new average be if she earned 92 on her next test? Solution 1. We know that is the sum of the her score is equals to 82 times 8 equals to is 656. If the new score is 92, the sum will be 656 plus 92 equals to 748. Therefore, here new average will be 748 divided by 9 equals to is 83.1 or 83. Chapter 5 Example 2. Three numbers are in the ratio of 2 to 4 to 7. What is the largest of these numbers if their average is 52? Solution: 52 times 3 equals to is 156. Let n be a multiple 2x point 4x point 7x. The obstant 2x plus 4x plus 7x equals to is 30x is equals to 156. So cross multiplying x equals to 156 divided by 13 is x equals to 12. Then take the hex compression number multiple of the value of the 6 times 12 is 84. Recheck answer. 2 times 12 is 24 and 5 times 12 is 48. So the average number is obtained 24 plus 48 plus 84 divided by 3 is 156 divided by 3 is 52. Chapter 5 Example 5. To get from class to outside the main entrance of the school, you can ask any of 3 stairways to the first floor, either of 2 corridors to the main lobby, and either of 2 doors. How many different paths can you choose from? Solution: this situation can be visualized by the tree diagram of flow chart that diagram all the possibility. Stairway 1, C1, C2, D1, D2, D1, D2, stair 1, 2, C1, D1, D2, C2, D1, D2. Stair 1, 3, C1, D1, D2, C1, D1, D2. Where C1, C2, and D1, D2 represent corridors 1 and 2 and doors 1 and 2 respectively, there are clearly 12 possible ways from the classroom to the outside of the main entrance. Note that the number of branches of the tree is based on the product 3 times 2 times 2 equals to is 12. This is the basic of the counting principle, which is a popular way to solve such problem. The next chapter 5 example 6 For the last, at the local fast food restaurant, you can choose from each different sandwich from different side dishes and live different beverage beverages. How many different meals can you have consisting of one sandwich, one side order, and one beverage? The counting principle leads us to believe that the numbers of different meals is equals to the product 8 times 4 times 5 equals to is 160. It's that simple. Drawing a tree diagram would take much longer. One way to create a visual for counting problems such as this is to think of filling salt. For the problem described above, we will draw and fill the slot with the number of different choices for each item, namely 8, 4, and 5. This will help with more complicated problems. Thank you for attention. Bye.